girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty.
Who's from Cebu? Any Cebuano? Yeah, that's my bro. That's my brother.
38. 38.
Thank you so much. I just want to say maraming salamat po, Picosina, for having me. And I'm wishing you all the most success. Thank you. Happy birthday also. Thank you, God.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some more noise for Bailey May! There we are. Of course, but Bailey, it's not just the day we'll be seeing you, right? We have some more upcoming events in summer.
Yeah, so guys, who's going to the Filipino Festival in July 4th?
If you're not going, get your tickets.
Yes, get your tickets. I'll be going to the festival alongside my brother here. We're gonna have a great time, so we'll see you then.
Of course, and Bailey, do you have an Instagram they can follow you on? Facebook?
Yeah, just all socials for at Bailey May. That's all.
Straightforward and easy, but that wasn't a straightforward, that wasn't an easy performance. That was complex. He sang in Tagalog, he brought it. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, from Bailey May!